Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about Wirecard because I've had a few of you guys comment on the last few videos saying will you talk about it, and I wasn't really going to do a video today, but I thought I'd make a short video talk about Wirecard because a few guys have asked me is it a good opportunity to go buy the stock right now. And as always guys, smash that like button, that'd be absolutely amazing. I am going to be probably buying 3 new UK stocks as well next week. If you want to know what those stocks are, I've posted them in the Discord and Patreon link down below, and I'll be revealing them tomorrow. But anyway, we'll get stuck into Wirecard and if this is a good opportunity to go buy it now after the news that came out this week. So Wirecard was one of the biggest payment processors listed on the German exchange, and once upon a time this company was actually €190 stock, and now it's all the way down at 25 euros, which is absolutely massive drop. And that's down 75% in 1 week after the news that came out this week. And the news that came out this week is that there was 2.1 billion missing in cash from this company. An auditor came in, tried to find out where all the cash were, and they literally just went around and went, we don't know where this cash is. And there's a lot of different, articles coming out, like the company is obviously defending it, saying that there is the cash and maybe it's been a victim of fraud. Anything to cover kind of what's gone on here. But realistically, a lot of this cash is apparently being held in some Singapore accounts. Where it's been held, the people that have apparently were storing the money, they say they never had an account with them. It's all a bit of a mess. So basically there's 2.1 million in cash, and more than likely it's been fraud to make the balance sheet look better than what it is in this company. And funny enough, this company's had a history as well of being a little bit dodgy. In 2019, it said that it inflated revenue as well. And once again, Wirecard actually denied this and said it wasn't true, but it has had a history of this, which is kind of worrying that, there's been 2 incidents now. Maybe once it gets a telling off, or maybe it was someone that's just gone a bit rogue and trying to get the company into trouble. But 2 times is definitely a big major red flag for me right now. We also had developments now that the CEO has gone, which isn't great. There's potentially the loans that Wirecard have, which is quite a few by the way. They could be getting cancelled as well, and what probably leads to this company now is this probably might get actually liquidated, might go bankrupt because of the cash getting pulled on this company, which is a very worrying thing as well. When you also think about what the reputation is going to be for this company, it's going to be absolutely awful. Who's going to be wanting to deal with a company that lies about the cash they have? Also, what damage has been done previously. It's been losing a lot of market share because of what had happened in 2019. And when you look at the balance sheet of this company, it's probably why the balance sheet was, why they had to lie about this cash is because of how horrible this balance sheet was. The debt was rising. To make the balance sheet look cleaner, let's kind of lie about the cash we have so people don't get worried. So that's probably why they've had to lie about the amount of cash they had. And another worrying side about this company is when you look at a company like this and you're thinking, if it is posting the growth in that it does have and the company's going to make it through, why was there no insiders buying this company? Because it had no insiders buying this company. And, this is one thing why I like to see buyers buying inside the company, because, probably the insiders knew about what was going on and what they were doing. So if they were ever to get caught, not putting their own money in the company. And, this is why I like to see insiders, buying into this company or buying into companies that, if their company's sold off, because, they believe in the company. And there you go. It's a good thing to look at, because no insiders were buying this company when it was sold off as much as what it was from, its highs back in 2019, when it was trading at around about €190 stock back then. And when you're thinking now, what are the risks with this company? Well, you've got your brand damage, you've got the risk that it might get bankrupt. If it doesn't go bankrupt, more than likely it's going to get unlisted from the stock exchange. It needs to get a new management in place, and that's if the company survives. So there's a lot of trouble with this company, and that's why it sold off so much. I mean, I'm surprised that this stock hasn't dropped all the way down to probably like a €10 stock right now, because there's so many problems with this company. And I know a lot of you guys have asked me now, is this the time to go buy it? And I do like that you're thinking, I need to buy stocks on discounts, buy good companies that are sold off. But when you think about everything that's happened with this company, is this actually a good company that's sold off? Or is this actually a bad company and that's why it's sold off? So for you guys asking me right now, should I go buy this company? Because obviously it's sold off right now. No, there's a reason why this company sold off. It's got a management that's pretty much been called, frauds like 2 times in a row. There's going to be a complete management change. There's risk that this company might go bankrupt. Even if it does that, it's probably going to get unlisted anyway. And the reputation of this company is absolutely in tatters right now. So for me, you guys, you know, that are asking me about it, you know, I do like that you're looking for discounts out there, but this company is awful. Like, I'm trying to think of words to describe this without swearing, because there's the only way that you can describe this company. But yeah, it is crap, and there's no way to deny it. You know, there's no way around it. This is a really poor company, and why would you want to invest in this company? There's other companies that are sold off just because of the fear of COVID-19. Maybe the stores have been shut for like 2 months, and they're sold off. Why would you want to buy in a company that's more than likely not going to be around much longer? Because even if it does get through all this, it's going to be totally damaged on its reputation, and it's not going to go up to the share price of what it once was straight away. You know, you could probably wait a year and see if it makes it through before you even decide if you want to buy this company. So it's, for me, it's a bad company, and that's why it's so cheap. You're buying a bad company at cheap prices because it's a bad company, not because it's a good company sold off. And that's the main thing when you're looking for discounts. Look for companies that are good companies on discounts, not bad companies on discounts, because these are just going to carry on going down from here. Very ugly right now for this company, and yeah, I mean, I normally like companies to do well, but if you got a company that's like fraud in numbers, then it's going to go down, and it's not a company that I personally want to see, you know, succeed from here. I will want to, you know, support a company that's doing this, that's, you know, being fraud in the revenue, obviously scamming the balance sheet. So for me, stay away from this one, guys. In my opinion, I won't be touching it, and there's a good chance you could probably lose all your money with it going bankrupt anyway. So that's me talking about this company today, guys. As always, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next video.